Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete deleted photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then if you're on Library, go ahead and select Collections. This is on iOS 18. Now scroll down the Collections page. You should have access to Media Type and Utilities. Now click on Utilities. On Utilities, locate and click on Recently Deleted. You'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode or confirm your Face ID when you click on View Album. Then now you have access to all your recently deleted photos and videos. To delete them, click on Select button at top right. Then click on these three dots or click on Select All depending on your OS. And then click on Delete All. Click on Delete from this iPhone. And then this is going to delete all your recently deleted photos on the Photos app on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.